This is key to make any money to become wealthy. Now let me ask you something. How much time do you spend each week on marketing? Too much, right? What if I told you your entire digital marketing campaign, ads, funnels, emails, SEO, everything, could be created, managed, and optimized by AI in a single afternoon? That's not science fiction, it's happening right now. And in this video, I'm breaking down the top 7 AI tools that literally run your business while you sleep. We're talking about going from frazzled to streamlined, from overwhelmed to optimized. Think AI is just for the tech gurus? Think again. These tools are built for everyone, from solopreneurs to seasoned marketing teams. Stay till the end. I'm going to show you how to make your first sale on autopilot in 48 hours. Let's go. First up, we're kicking things off with Copy.AI, your new AI-powered copywriting assistant. This tool is a beast when it comes to generating high-quality copy for, well, pretty much anything. We're talking headlines that grab attention, email sequences that practically write themselves, social media captions that make your followers hit that like button, and even entire sales pages that convert like crazy. So, how do you actually use this thing? It's super straightforward. Head over to Copy.AI and sign up for a free account. You don't even need to throw down a credit card, just jump right in. Once you're in, you'll see a bunch of different tools, but let's focus on digital ad copy or product descriptions for now. Enter your brand info, tell Copy.AI what kind of tone you're going for, and then hit that generate button. Boom! Just like that, you've got a bunch of different copy options to choose from, and the best part? You can A/B test different versions to see what resonates best with your audience. Marketers using Copy.AI have reported a whopping 70% reduction in content creation time. That's more time to focus on strategy, building relationships, or even just taking a well-deserved break. Personally, I use Copy.AI to write Facebook and Google ad variations in bulk. It's a game changer, especially if you're running multiple campaigns at once. Give Copy.AI a spin for yourself and see the magic happen. Alright, moving on to tool number 2, Adzooma, your AI ad campaign optimizer. If you're tired of manually tweaking your ad campaigns and feeling like you're just throwing money at the Google or Facebook algorithm gods, then listen up. Adzooma is about to become your new best friend. This tool connects directly to your Google Ads or Facebook Ads accounts and acts like your personal AI marketing assistant, telling you exactly what needs fixing, what you should boost, and what you should just pause altogether. No more guessing games, just data-driven insights to optimize your campaigns for maximum ROI. Ready to get started? Head on over to adzooma.com and create an account. It's super simple and only takes a couple of minutes. Once you're all set up, connect your Google and/or Facebook ad accounts to Adzooma. Think of it like introducing your ad campaigns to their new AI overlord. Now here comes the fun part. Let Adzooma run its audit. It'll dive deep into your campaigns, analyzing everything from your targeting to your ad copy, and then it'll hit you with a list of actionable recommendations. And the best part? You can apply most of these fixes with just one click. No more wasting time digging through menus and settings. Adzooma streamlines the entire optimization process. Adzooma users have reported saving an average of 22+ hours per week on campaign management. That's like getting an entire workday back. And on top of that, they're also seeing an average ROI increase of up to 30%. If you're serious about taking your ad campaigns to the next level and saving a ton of time and money in the process, then you need to check out Adzooma. Trust me, your marketing budget will thank you. Alright, let's talk about sales funnels. You know, those magical online systems that guide your leads through a series of steps designed to convert them into paying customers. Now, building a high-converting sales funnel can feel intimidating, especially if you're not a tech whiz. But fear not, my friends, because tool number 3 is here to save the day. Systemi.io. Think of Systemi.io as the all-in-one sales funnel builder that rivals the big dogs like ClickFunnels, but with a more user-friendly interface and a sprinkle of AI magic. What's so special about Systemi.io? Well, for starters, it's incredibly easy to use. Even if you've never built a funnel before, you can have one up and running in no time. They've got these awesome AI-powered templates that practically do all the heavy lifting for you. Just choose a template that aligns with your goals, customize it to match your brand, and voila! You've got yourself a professional-looking sales funnel ready to start raking in those conversions. But System.io doesn't just stop at funnel building. You can add upsells, downsells, and even set up automated email sequences to nurture your leads and maximize your revenue. System.io also comes equipped with built-in analytics, so you can track your funnel's performance and see exactly where your leads are coming from, how they're interacting with your content, and how many are converting into paying customers. If you're ready to ditch the overwhelm of piecing together multiple tools and finally streamline your sales process with an all-in-one platform, then you need to give System.io a try. Alright, let's move on to tool number 4, and this one is for all my strategic thinkers out there, MARMIND. Think of MARMIND as your AI marketing manager, the one who always has a plan, never misses a deadline, and somehow manages to stay on top of everything. This tool is all about strategic marketing planning, helping you create data-driven campaigns that deliver predictable outcomes. So, how does MARMIND actually work? Well, it all starts with setting clear goals for your campaigns. Do you want to increase brand awareness, generate leads, drive sales, or something else? Once you've defined your objectives, you can upload your existing content plans, assign budgets, and let MARMIND work its magic. The AI engine will analyze your goals, content, and budget, and then it'll suggest the best publishing times and platforms to maximize your reach and engagement. It's like having a team of marketing experts working behind the scenes, crunching numbers and optimizing your strategy for success. But MARMIND isn't just about automation. It's also a powerful collaboration tool, allowing you to communicate with your team, share ideas, and track progress all within the platform. One of the things I love about MARMIND is its KPI dashboard. If you're tired of flying blind and want to take a more data-driven approach to your marketing, then I highly recommend checking out MARMIND. Okay, let's talk SEO, shall we? We all know how important it is to rank high on Google, but getting your content seen in today's crowded online world can feel like an uphill battle. But fear not, my friends, because tool number 5 is here to make your SEO dreams a reality, Surfer SEO. This tool is a game changer when it comes to optimizing your content for search engines and driving organic traffic to your website. So how does Surfer SEO work? It's actually pretty simple. Head over to surferseo.com and enter a blog topic or keyword that you want to rank for. Surfer SEO will then analyze the top-ranking pages for that keyword and generate a detailed brief and content structure for you. It's like having a team of SEO experts whispering in your ear, telling you exactly what to write about and how to structure your content for maximum visibility. But Surfer SEO doesn't just stop at keyword research and content briefs. It also has this awesome real-time score editor that tells you exactly how well your content is optimized as you're writing it. Think of it like a video game for SEO, where you get points for using the right keywords, optimizing your headings, and creating high-quality content that Google loves. Once you've published your content, Surfer SEO doesn't just abandon you like a bad date. It has this awesome growth tracking feature that allows you to monitor your rankings, track your progress, and make adjustments as needed. If you're serious about taking your SEO game to the next level and finally ranking on page 1 of Google, then you need to check out Surfer SEO. Alright, let's talk about content optimization, because creating amazing content is one thing, but making sure it's seen by the right people is a whole other ballgame. That's where tool number 6 comes in, Neuron Writer. Now, Neuron Writer is another SEO powerhouse that helps you craft content that ranks. But it also takes things a step further with AI-driven natural language processing, or NLP for short. What does that mean for you? It means Neuron Writer can understand the intent behind search queries and help you create content that not only ranks well, but also resonates with your target audience. So how does it work? Simple. Enter a YouTube video title, a website keyword, or even just a general topic idea into Neuron Writer. The AI engine will then analyze the top-ranking content for that query and provide you with a list of relevant keywords and phrases to include in your own content. But Neuron Writer doesn't just throw a bunch of keywords at you and call it a day. It also provides valuable insights into what your competitors are doing well and where they might be falling short, giving you a competitive edge. And the best part? Neuron Writer helps you optimize your content for all the right places, including your titles, descriptions, and H1 tags. Before you hit that publish button, Neuron Writer provides a content score, giving you an indication of how well your content is optimized and what you can do to improve it. Trust me, your rankings will thank you. And last but not least, we've arrived at tool number 7, and let me tell you, this one is a game changer: Zapier plus ChatGPT. Together, these two tools form the ultimate automation power couple, allowing you to create content and distribute it across multiple platforms without lifting a finger. Seriously, it's like having a team of virtual assistants working around the clock to promote your business. So, how does this magical duo work? First, you'll need to set up a free Zapier account. Zapier is a powerful automation tool that connects different web applications and automates tasks between them. Think of it like the glue that holds your entire online marketing ecosystem together. Next, you'll need to connect ChatGPT to Zapier using the OpenAI plugin. ChatGPT is a powerful language model that can generate human-quality text, making it the perfect tool for automating content creation. Now, here's where the fun begins. You can set up zaps, which are essentially automated workflows, to trigger actions based on specific events. For example, You could create a Zap that automatically generates a tweet and a Facebook post every time you publish a new blog post. No more manually sharing your content across multiple platforms. Zapier will do it for you, freeing up your time and ensuring that your content gets maximum visibility. You can also use Zapier to schedule your social media posts in advance using tools like Buffer or Hootsuite. And to top it all off, you can monitor the performance of your Zaps using dashboards like Notion or Airtable. With just a little bit of setup, you can have your entire marketing engine running on autopilot, freeing up your time and allowing you to focus on what you do best: growing your business. Imagine if all your marketing worked while you slept. Now, you don't have to imagine it. You just watched how to make it real. From crafting compelling copy to optimizing your ad campaigns and automating your social media, these 7 AI tools can transform your marketing efforts from time-consuming chores into streamlined systems that practically run themselves. So which tool will you start with today? Will it be Copy.AI to banish writer's block forever? Or maybe Adzooma to finally conquer those confusing ad platforms? The choice is yours. But don't wait too long to dive in. The world of AI marketing is constantly evolving, and the sooner you start experimenting with these tools, the sooner you can start reaping the benefits. If you found this mind-blowing, hit like, subscribe, and drop a light bulb emoji below if you want me to do a full tutorial on your favorite tool. Don't sleep on this, because AI is already working, and it's not waiting for you. Until next time, keep crushing it.